Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I show you all the tips and ideas for your family home. Today I have a brilliant topic for you parents who are looking for aesthetically pleasing toys. As we all know, the toys can be brutal cluttering in our houses, and unfortunately they are not exactly bringing any style in it. Today I have for you a lot of stylish toys, so you will be ready for Christmas. Let's get started. When you are choosing toys for your kids and for your interior, you cannot go wrong with wooden toys. Or if you are going for some colored toys, go for the muted, subtle hue of colors, so they will always work with this minimalistic style. Great example of wooden toys are the classic wooden building blocks, activity toys like the Montessori style, like play sets, hairdresser, barber, different professionals. Another great example of wooden toys are the classic doll houses. These kind of houses can stay with your family for years. It can be even for your grandchildren or grandchildren. Other tip, how to choose the great toy for your interior. It's going for neutral or muted colors. Toys in these colors, like earth colors or like soft pink colors, will always go with any type of interior you have. If we are talking about Scandinavian or minimalistic or boho interior, for example, Plush Animals or these bicycles, soft fabric blocks or climbing toys for your home. For babies, you very likely will need some kind of play mat. Go for a simple colored, neutral colored mat. For example, it can be that black and white mat or something really subtle neutral colors. Of course, there is a problem all the time with the storage and toys. So the best is if you can combine both in. So you can have all these tents or like playhouses, so you can actually store the toys in it, so it wouldn't be always around. Another way is that you actually create a storage solution for your living room where you can store your toys. Great toy for bigger kids or adults is like these modern puzzles. So it can actually, when it's set up, it can work as a home decor on your coffee table or anything like this. Of course, if you have a small child, especially a girl, you might need a doll. Look for these eco-friendly fabric dolls, usually from linen or cotton. They might be hand sewn, and they always look very stylish in home. Another great idea for the decor and actually some kind of kids toys or activities are nice aesthetic kids books. You can have them all around. You can have them on the coffee table because they just look nice and stylish. Another set of toys is Scandinavian ride-on toys. In a simple neutral color palette, can look stylish instead of overly playful. Look for sleek wooden balance bikes or ride-on cars or push toys in a neutral color palette. Soft aesthetic plush animals. Plush toys don't have to be brightly colored or overly whimsical. Muted, cute animals can look cozy in living spaces. Look for linen or cotton plush animals in earth tones. Of course, you can find even the educational toys in these natural colors. Educational toys with great design can help create a playful learning environment without clutter. Look for building sets or science kits in sleek packaging. Craft stations. Craft stations are necessary but can be styled to fit the room's theme. You can always find the art easels in natural wood. Another great set of toys are all those vintage games or toys. For example, classic metal cars or pool toys. You can find retro board games with aesthetically pleasing designs. And if you have proper active child, don't forget, even these modular play toys or sets can be done in aesthetic and an eye-pleasing way. So in nice, natural, muted colors, beautiful shades, and natural wood. It will always look stylish in the living room. I hope you found toys what you need for yourself or for your kids. All the links will be below this video. So please like and subscribe to my video, and I see you next time.